Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can live stream computer screen on YouTube. So the first method you simply need to do is to download OBS Studio. Once you download, you simply need to click on plus and you simply need to add the scene. As you can see, I already added. Then on the sources you simply need to click on plus and click on display capture. So here it is. Now you can see that my display is capture. Click on here and here you can see transform, and then you simply need to click on fade to screen. So once you complete that step, you simply need to go back and you simply need to open YouTube. So once you open YouTube, you need to go on to your channel first. So as you can see, I am on my channel. Then you simply need to click on the plus, create, and click on go live. So once you are click here, you simply need to select the stream. Okay, so we can do this later. Cancel. Okay, and here you can see your stream key. So you simply need to copy that, go back, open OBS Studio, go on to the settings and click on stream, select YouTube, click here, and here you need to click on use stream key, click that stream key here, click on apply and OK. Once you done that, you can see your live stream here. So this is the process how you can live stream computer screen on YouTube. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.